Unraveling, update your status, a guide to modern English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very contemporary and widely used phrase, update your status. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a reflection of our modern, digital world. Let's dive in and understand what it means, how to use it, and its various contexts. Update your status is a phrase that has grown in popularity with the rise of social media and digital communication. At its core, to update means to make something more current or to provide the latest information. A status, in this context, refers to a report or announcement about a person's situation or condition, often shared on social media platforms. Therefore, update your status means to share the latest information about yourself or your situation on a digital platform. This phrase is most commonly used in the context of social media. For example, on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, users often update their status to share life events, thoughts, or feelings with their friends or followers. It's a way of keeping others informed and connected to your life. Here's an example sentence: I just got a new job. I can't wait to update my status and tell everyone about it. There are variations to this phrase that are worth noting. For instance, updating your profile, or changing your status update. While they might sound similar, each has a slightly different focus. Updating your profile usually refers to changing personal information or pictures, while changing your status update is more about modifying a recent post or message. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. In today's digital age, sharing updates about one's life has become a norm. This phrase encapsulates a significant aspect of online culture, where sharing and staying updated is highly valued. However, it's also essential to be mindful of what and how much we share, maintaining a balance between online presence and privacy. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, update your status, and its relevance in our modern, digital world. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the culture and times we live in. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.